Bengaluru, India's bustling ET hub, is poised to witness an unprecedented development in its transport infrastructure, with the announcement of a circular railway spanning 287 kilometers. This ambitious plan aims to potentially eclipse Chennai's 235.5-kilometer circular railway, striving to become the largest suburban network in the country. Embracing wide-ranging deliberations on Bengaluru's circular railway, Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has approved 70 million rupees for feasibility and alignment studies. This crucial initiative is essential for the project's success and to meet the city's growing needs. If implemented, the circular railway could emerge as India's largest suburban railway, surpassing Chennai's 235.5-kilometer network. Stay tuned as we follow this exciting development in Bengaluru's transport landscape. The future of urban commuting is evolving, and we're here to keep you updated every step of the way.